This is Duolingo, the app you've probably used to learn Spanish, French, or Japanese. But what if I told you they just fired a bunch of real teachers and replaced them with this? An AI voice that sounds human, but isn't. And nobody noticed until it was too late. Duolingo recently ended contracts with dozens of human voice artists and educators. Why? Because they're now using generative AI synthetic voices trained to sound like real people. And here's the crazy part. Many users didn't even realize it, until Reddit, X, and forums exploded with this question. Wait, where's the human touch? Once the news broke, people were furious. These weren't just any workers, they were multilingual educators who spent years crafting lessons. Now, replaced by a few lines of code. No warning, no announcement, just gone. Let's pause and ask, is this progress or a warning? Duolingo says it's to scale faster. But critics say it's about saving money while replacing skilled humans with machines. Imagine if YouTube replaced your favorite creator with a robot clone of their voice. It's not impossible. It's already happening. This isn't just a Duolingo problem. It's a preview of the AI takeover quietly replacing jobs in education, entertainment, journalism, even art. And if the voices used to train these AI models come from real humans, do those humans deserve credit or payment? You're part of this future too. Soon, you might not know whether your teacher, coach, or even your therapist is human or just a hyper-personalized AI. And here's the kicker. Nobody's asking for your permission. Duolingo didn't break the rules, because there are no rules. Not yet. We're living in the AI Wild West, and the people getting hurt, the ones who helped build the tools in the first place. So, do you still want to learn from AI? Or would you rather support real humans while we still can? Comment below. Should companies be allowed to replace people without notice? Subscribe to Futureverse X, where we don't just predict the future, we expose it.